I'll show you 3 ways to do subtraction in the set of natural numbers, the traditional way, which is borrowing, and tricks number 1 and number 2. Let's do this calculation the traditional way. 10,000 minus 1,315. We can't subtract 5 from 0, because 0 is less than 5. 0 minus 1 is also not possible, because 0 is less than 1. 0 minus 3 is also not possible, and 0 minus 1 for the same reason. The minuend is less than the subtrahend. Then we are taught to borrow. We take 1 and borrow to the side. The 10 becomes 9. And the 0 becomes 10, but the next digit is also a 0, so we can take away the 1 that was borrowed and it will now be 9. So we have to borrow again. The 10 becomes 9 and the 0 becomes 10. And the last 0 will finally become 10 because you don't need to borrow from anyone. Now, just do the math. It will then be 10 minus 5 equals 5, 9 minus 1, which equals 8, 9 minus 3, which equals 6, and 9 minus 1, which equals 8. The result is 8,685. I find this method complicated. You might get confused about borrowing and lending again. Let's look at the first trick. The first trick consists of subtracting 1 from the minuend and the subtrahend. This can be done because the difference between 10,000 minus 1,315 is the same as 90,999 minus 1,314. Now, just do the math. 9 minus 4 equals 5, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 minus 9, 6, and 9 minus 1, 8. See, it gave the same result, 8,685. And now I'll show you the second trick, which is my favorite and helps me do various calculations mentally. 10,000 minus 1,315. I put the 10,000 on top. Doesn't this one here from 1,315 equal 1,000? So we bring it here. It will be 10,000 minus 1,000, which equals 9,000. Now, doesn't this 3 equal 300? It will be 90,000 minus 300, which equals 8,700. Isn't this one equal to 10? It becomes 8,700 minus 10. What an easy calculation! It equals 8,690. And finally, this 5 equals 5, that is, 5 units. It becomes 8,690 minus 5, which equals 8,685. Tell me in the comments which method you like it best. Notice how each way of doing the calculation I arrived at the same result. I hope you enjoyed my math tips and subscribe for more content.